Hi guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper of Tuesday, February the 16th, 2021. Yes, the second Sudoku is a 4 stars Sudoku. And I've told you earlier, I only do 4 Sudokus, 4 puzzles, instead of all of them. There are 8 Sudokus or puzzles in this additional, and all the links are below, but I only do 4 of them. And this second Sudoku will be number 2, 3, 3, 6. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Alright. 24 printed digits. So I've already counted earlier. You can check if I'm right or wrong, but the 4 stars has always 24. Alright, so let's get started. In this column we have four missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 9. We have an 8 and a 9 in the first row. So no 8 and a 9 in this box. The 8 and a 9 goes in these 2 boxes. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. One number left in this column for the number 6. Alright. We see here 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5, is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in those 3 boxes. Here 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Then 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. Alright. Alright. Then. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. So the only place for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 numbers. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third column. 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the third row, 3 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 place for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. And digit number 2, number 3. Alright. So we have a 2 in this row. 2 in that row. So in the row between, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, and 8 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. All right. Let me think. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. All right. Okay. We have here, in this big square, 6 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 5, the 1, and the 8. We have here 5, 1, and 8, so no 5, 1, and 8 in those 3 boxes. The 5, 1, and 8 goes in these 3 boxes. So what are the other 3 numbers? 5, 1, and 8. The other 3 numbers should be a 2, the 4, 2, 4, and the 6. 2, 4, and the 6. 2, 4, and the 6. 2, 4, and a 6. That means 1 digit left in this row, 2, 4, and a 6. The 7 should be there. Right. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this first row, 7 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7's are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. All right. Then 6. 2, 6, 4. 2, 6, 4. 6, 6, 6. Yeah. 8, 8. Well. Let me see. 1 and a 4. All right. We have a 1 in this column. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 8 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill this directly. 2 boxes left in this big square. Also, the 6 and the 8 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. One box left in this row for the number 4. Alright. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the row above, so in that row. Oh, apologies. Apologies. Let me correct this. My tripod is not function correctly. Yes. Can I do this? Okay. Apologies. Let me position the camera. Okay. Focus. Yes. Let me zoom this out a little bit. Okay. So we have, where was I? The 4, yes, 4 in this row, 4 in a row above. So in that row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 2 and 6. We see here a 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Then. 5, 5. Yeah. 1, 1, 6 and 8. And the 5. The 5. Alright. 1, 1. So the 1 should be here. 1, 5. 1, 5 and an 8. Okay. 6 and 8. 5, 5. What are those numbers? These are the 5, 6 and the 8. 5, 6 and 8. So those 2 numbers in this column are the 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4 are missing. 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me put some numbers. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places for the 5. Could be here, could be there. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 1, 8. Alright. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Together with the 8, it's a pair. So this 5 cannot be there. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. Now we have a 5 here. So this box cannot be 5 anymore. This box should be a 5. Alright, so we have 5, a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 5 should be here. 6 and the 8 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6 and the 8 are missing. So the 1 should be in one of these 2 boxes. Alright. The 2 is missing here. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 could be here, could be there. The 1 is missing. Yes, 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, only place for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, so this box should be in 6. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be an 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this should be an 8. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be an 8, and this should be a 6. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 6 and the 1. We have a 6 here, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 and an 8, 6 and an 8, 1 and a 2. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. Alright, 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 2 should be here. 1 box left in this column for the number 4. 4 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This box should be the 2, and this should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This box should be a 1, and this should be an 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this cannot be 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be a 6. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. 6 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one, but it's not really a 4 stars Sudoku. For 4 stars Sudoku, I need really 30 minutes or more. So 16 minutes I have solved this one. So I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the 2 last puzzles, a tectonic one and a binary one. See you later. Bye bye for now.